Hello everyone, I am Meenakshi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss more important JavaScript question for better interview preparation. Let's get started. We will discuss these questions. In first question, we have an object with some key value pairs. One is a key and value of one is A, that is in a string. Here we will check the has-on property. Has-on property, with the help of has-on property, we can check the key or property of the object in a string as well as in number. Let's check the output. Yes, we have the output false and true. It means we don't have the key 8 in this object and 1 is the key of the object. That's the answer will be false. Here we are checking the property is present in object or not by has-on property. We can check the property in string as well as in number. If it is present, then it will give us true, otherwise it will give us false. In next question, we have an object. There is similar key A and A. Let's check the output. The output will be updated data. It means A has the value repeat. When we have same key, the updated key value will be print, but the index or a position of the key will be same. That is the first. In second question, in next question, we have a for loop. In this loop, we are iterating it till the ith value will be less than to 5. Then we are using continue keyword here. Continue keyword will skip when the value will be I is equal to 3. Let's check the output. Yes, we have 1, 2, 4. It means it will skip. Continue will skip that value when the condition will be fulfilled or will true. It means there is a for loop in which I is a variable which is initialized by 1. Then when it will run till the ith value will be less than to 5. Then for incrementing the value of I using post increment operator. But there is a condition when I is equal to 0, it will skip that ith value. That's why here is 1, 2, 4 in output. Next question, we have three functions. First foo, second bar, and third buzz. It means we are using set timeout here. In this function, there is an arrow function which simply print this second. The time set is 1000 here. Then if we call all the function, the output sequence will be totally different. Bar is not defined because we are calling this in a set. When we use set timeout, the position of the set timeout will be at the last. Then the output will be foo value and then buzz value. Second, and next value is third. First and third. But in stack, the position of the set out function will be at last. That's why it will run at the last position when we execute the program. In Hindi, I am explaining in Hindi these question as well. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हम हैज ऑन प्रॉपर्टी से किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की को चेक कर सकते हैं, इधर इन द स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेट और नंबर फॉर्मेट. अगर वो प्रेजेंट होगी तो हमेशा ट्रू होगा आंसर, और अगर नहीं होगी तो वो फॉल्स रिटर्न करेगा. इन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अगर हम किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट में सेम की डिफाइन कर देते हैं तो अपडेटेड वैल्यू हमें शो होगी, लेकिन हमेशा पोजीशन फर्स्ट डिक्लेयर वेरिएबल की या की होगी. इन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, किसी भी फॉर लूप में कंटिन्यू कीवर्ड किसी भी वैल्यू को स्किप करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है. यहाँ पर हम आई की वैल्यू को इटरेट कर रहे हैं, जिसमें अगर आई की वैल्यू, यहाँ हमने एक कंडीशन डिक्लेयर की है, अगर आई की वैल्यू 3 के इक्वल होती है तो कंटिन्यू उसको स्किप कर देगा, तो हमारे पास आउटपुट आएगा 1 2 4. इन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अगर हम किसी भी फंक्शन को किसी भी ऑर्डर में डिक्लेयर करते हैं, वो मैटर नहीं करेगा, जिस ऑर्डर में हम उसको कॉल करेंगे वो मैटर करता है. इट मीन्स बार को हम फर्स्ट कॉल कर रहे हैं तो बार हमेशा बार का आउटपुट फर्स्ट प्रिंट होगा, पहले प्रिंट होगा, देन फू का और देन बस का. बट अगर हम सेट टाइम आउट यूज करते हैं तो सेट टाइम आउट हमेशा स्टैक के लास्ट में स्टोर होगा, इसीलिए ये लास्ट में हमें आउटपुट देगा. I hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any doubts regarding these questions, you can comment in a comment section, and then and if you need the code of the video, you can click in the description box. There is a link of GitHub. I already push all the code on my GitHub link. We will discuss more questions in more videos. Thank you so much.